Hello everyone, my name is Mikkel and this is a quick tutorial of the platform UniFounder. I will show you how to make a profile and how to upload your project to the platform. When you initially visit the website, you'll be given the option to sign in through LinkedIn, Facebook or manually. In this scenario, we will show a manual sign-in method. You will simply fill in the information and create your own personal password. Afterwards, you will be given the opportunity to choose your occupation. So, for example, if you're working, you can type in the sector you're working in. In my case, I'm studying at Copenhagen Business School, so that's what I'll fill in. Now you're ready to choose 3 of your main skills. These will be displayed on your profile, but you have the opportunity to change them later if you'd like. Finally, you can upload a picture of yourself and adjust it so it suits the circle. Now we have filled all the mandatory steps of the sign-in process, but I will recommend you to fill out the last piece of information. This includes the most essential parts of your resume, your interests, and a short introduction of yourself. To ensure the information is saved, I'll simply press the update button. If you visit the project page, you will get an overview of the ideas uploaded to the page. You can filter in these ideas based on the stage they are in. In order to upload your own project, you can simply press the Add Project button. This will lead you to a page where you can sign in information about your company as well as the profile you're looking for and why you're looking for this profile. If you have a video pitch uploaded to YouTube, Vimeo or a similar platform, you can also post a URL here. Finally, you can use the checkboxes to indicate the stage of your company. For example, as you're seeking for a co-founder, you're currently in the progress of assembling a team. Next, you can upload an image for your company. Once again, to ensure your information is saved, press the Upload Project button. If you make any error doing this or by any other reason wish to update your company's profile, you can do so by clicking on your project in the project subpage. This could, for example, be to specify your company's description or give an update if you got any pre-orders. The last function I wish to show you is the internal communication system. If you go into another project's page, read about them and somewhat find them interesting, you can communicate with them by pressing the I'm interested button, which automatically will send a notification to the startup or otherwise send them a message. In this example, I'll send a message to Peter telling him I'm interested in learning more about his idea. I hope that you found the tutorial useful, and if not, feel free to contact us through the information stated on the screen.